Nipple scheduling, first of all, is really planning. So you start with scheduling to put the material on in inventory. So from making the raw part, putting the nipples in Cleveland first and then distributing to our 3 distribution sites. You have to be very detail oriented. You have to dive into the different areas in Merit. I get to communicate with all the different departments within Merit: purchasing, marketing, accounting, manufacturing, logistics, IT, everybody. I get to communicate with everyone.
Day to day, we pull orders of pipe. We use the overhead crane, or sometimes we pull by hand, depending on the diameter. It ranges from 1/4 to 12-inch diameter. We pull stainless steel pipe, aluminum, and brass pipe.
Well, here I'm in charge of the cutting department. It's where we cut the pipe down to the lengths, then it goes to the threading department. I'm also in charge of the packaging area, the stamping area, the thread tape area, thread sealant area, and the 48Cs. We run diameters, brass and stainless steel. Diameters from 1/8 inch all the way up to 2 inch. We run through those machines.
I'm in 5 different departments throughout manufacturing. I run the special cell, which consists of cutting, threading, stamping, and packing, all specials. And then I have the manufacturing manual threaders, the S-Head department, and the bucket degreasing department. But the S-Head department will run, we have 5 machines, and they're grouped in 2 groups. So our small S-Heads will run 1/4 inch from 1/4x2 up to 1/4x6, and then every diameter after that, 3/8, 1/2 inch, and 3/4. It'll go from a 2-inch length all the way up to a 6 being the max.
So pretty much I operate in special department, but I run the whole manufacturing. I'm trained in the whole of it besides CNCs. And I start with like manual machines. We do different diameters. We thread, we square. We bend 1/4 inch, we bend like 180-degree one shape and 90-degree. After that, we have another bender that it does 90-degree but brass.
I'm basically the wash guy. They bring the buckets to the line and I run them through the washer. So I do all the cleaning for the material, the metal that we run. I does all the cleaning for that. We started out in 55-gallon drums, so and we used to use chemical to clean it, like SP420 and number 2. It's been a lot different with different types of cleaner to get what we need to clean our material with. So, it's a great job. It's a great company, and I'm just still glad to be on board with them from all that time.
I process cut blanks, stamped and threaded nipple parts under specifications of the manufacturing department. We go around and make sure that the pipe nipples are up to standards, the threads are good, the gauging is good. Quality means that we're assuring our customers good quality parts, and that's what the basis of our job is.
Here in the packaging department, once everything clears our QI process, comes around and we dump them on the different tables. You might see 316 signs and 304 signs. That's how we separate the alloys. Once the parts are dumped, the packers will pick up and they will package the product according to whatever box dimensions is on our packaging chart. We also work on the thread tape fittings as well and the sealant process in the packaging department.
Most of the time with specials, I have to pack them up in the same day, they go out that same day, or maybe the next day. And then someone from shipping will come and get it from that staging area and take them up there. Most of the time it might be just one piece. Somebody might just need just to see, and for they can continuously order them, they just need a sample of them. Or sometimes it might be one big piece, a 6x12 or a 6x72.
Customers order our nipples, they go to our shipping department, and the person pulling the order goes and pulls all the parts that we need. And if it's a truck order, they'll put it in a big box on a pallet and they'll pack it right into that pallet box as they go. And then for the smaller parcel orders that will go out either FedEx or UPS, we'll pull those into totes and they'll get sent down the line, and then they'll come to the packers, and the packers will then recheck the order to make sure everything is right. When they do that, then they'll pack the order and they'll put it in a box and make sure that everything is where it needs to be so it doesn't get damaged in the way of shipping. And they'll send that out to the customer.